Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Ashiki binti Muhammad Manan and my metric number is 273538. So today I will present about the profitability ROA effect on internal and external factors of K Plus Group Berhad. So the introduction is K Plus Sdn Berhad is a fully owned subsidiary of K Plus Group Berhad, a publicly traded company. The company is rapidly expanding by adding new line furniture and other production. They have built our market niche over the years by focusing on product quality and service excellence. Company subsidiary manufacture, process and trade glove including latex, nitrile and vinyl glove. Its latex test gloves are utilized in clinical assessment and method, just as dental symptomatic methodology, research facility system, and food dealing with rehearsal. In research center and the auto business, nitrile test gloves are ordinary utilized. K Plus Group also provided other disposable protection products such as face masks, respirator, gowns, and caps. Careful gloves are made from exact clinical and careful applications. The organization sells its item under the brand Rubber Care and Guardian. Next, the problem statement. Institutional investor frequency avoid companies that are too small, too equally, or too risky. Larger companies with no institutional investor, on the other hand, are unusual. No institution may own stock in a company for a variety of reasons. Small and newly listed companies typically do not pique the interest of fund managers because large fund managers would be unable to establish a meaningful position in the company. It's also possible that fund managers aren't investing in the stock because they are not confident in its performance. K Plus Group Berhad may lack the type of past performance that institutions seek, or they may simply have not studied the business thoroughly. Research objective number 1 is to investigate the internal factor toward company performance. Number 2, to investigate the external factor toward company performance. Number 3, to investigate both internal and external factor toward company performance. Next, research questions. Number 1, does any relationship between internal factor and company performance? Number 2, does any relationship between external factors and company performance? Number 3, does any relationship between both internal and external factors towards company performance? Next is literature review, which is company performance. Return on asset ROA is a hallmark of way whereby an organization is relative to its overall assets. ROA offers a manager, investor, or analyst and concept to how green a company's control it at the usage of its asset to generate earnings. This is how the K Plus Berhad uses the money for. ROA is displayed as a percentage. The better the ROA, the better it is. ROA isn't always a super degree, however, it is the maximum effective. It takes severely to be had financial degree to evaluate agency overall performance. There are 4 methodology in this research, which is the first one, sampling technique. The unit of examination is the principal substance analysis in this investigation. People gathering an artifact, for instance, could be the examination unit of investigations. In this investigation, the association will be the unit of examination. The populace in this investigation is a Malaysian Medical Service Organization. K Plus Group Berhad was picked as an examination subject. The information comes from each organization. Yearly report from 2015 to 2019 are utilized to compute the relevant variable ROA and the autonomous factor, internal and external factors. The second one is SPSS, which is Statistical Package for Social Science. This is to obtain the final result in this study. IBM SPSS version 26 was used to compute the data. The third one is statistical analysis. K Plus Group Berhad statistical analysis is based solely on secondary data. Secondary data, also known as sources, are used to describe, summarize, or discuss information or data that were first presented in another sources. This also implies that, in the majority of cases, the author did not participate in the event at all or only participate in a minor way. Secondary sources are written for a wide audience and will include definition of specific event term, event history, significant theories and principles, and summary of major study or event that are closely related to or focus on. The last one is data analysis. According to the conceptual framework of future research, this study has one dependent variable and two independent variables. The following is the research framework, which is dependent variable is return on asset ROA, and independent variable include internal and external factors. Next is model summary. This study showed that R square is 92.1% of dependent variable is explained by the independent variable, namely ROE, current ratio, average collection period, debt to income, operating ratio, operating margin, and also CJ index toward ROE. The other 7.9% can be found in other variables not included in this study. Next is ANOVA. According to the ANOVA box above, the significant level of p-value of the internal variable for K plus group Berhad is 0.353, indicating that the model is fair to accept. The value of F 3.885 that attains significance with a p-value of 0.353. This study shows that p-value is more than the 0.05 alpha standard. Next is descriptive statistic. The internal factor for return on asset ROA and external independent variable, which is return on equity ROE, current ratio, average collection period, operation ratio, operational margin, inflation rate, internal risk, exchange rate, unemployment, and also corporate government index are displayed in the table of descriptive statistic table given above. According to this analysis, the average ROA is 0.298 with a standard deviation of 0.18236. Of this mean that the company earnings during the 5 years will be around 2% on average. The standard deviation indicated that there is just a minor difference in earning over the course of 5 years. Next is correlation. Based on the percent correlation, it shows how the independent variable move with the dependent variable. To put it another way, it refers to how the independent variable reach to the dependent variable. From the percent correlation, the ROA has a positive relationship to return on equity ROE, average collection period, operating margin, inflation rate, and interest rate, with the ratio of 0.977, 0.478, 0.012, 0.095, 0.015 respectively. Hence, the increase in ROA will result in the increase in current ratio and CG index too. Apart from that, the table also indicates how significant the independent is related to the dependent variable for the p-value. Internal factor has been used. As we can see, the only significant variable related to ROA are the ROE, debt to income, exchange rate, and unemployment. The reason for this result is because the p-value of this variable below 0.1, which is ROE with 0.002, debt to income is 0.07678, exchange rate 0.051, and unemployment 0.035 respectively. Thus, only these variables are significant corrected with dependent variable, which is DV. Next is coefficients. According to the above table, standard coefficient beta, t-value, and p-value will be analysis. This model has multiplied independent variables such as return on equity ROE, average collection period, and also CJ index. Is model 1, the standard coefficient beta of return on equity ROE is set on 0.928, average collection period is recorded at 0.129, and CJ index is recorded at negative 0.012. Additionally, the t-value of return on equity ROE is 4.974, average collection period is recorded at 0.941, as well as the CJ index is stated at negative 0.095. Also, the significant value for return on equity ROE, average collection period, and CJ index are 0.126, 0.637, and 0.959 respectively. Hence, we can conclude that these three variables are with significant for return on asset ROA because the significant value is 0.05 more than p-value. Next is conclusion. According to the findings, profitability has a significant positive influence on the return on asset ROA. As a result, as a way to manipulate the return on asset ROA, your profitability should be decreased as well. In order to lessen profitability, short-term fees and responsibility need to now no longer be overlooked. This is because the reality that those fees are retaining the corporation is going forward smoothly. I think that's all from me. Thank you.